the MS Show. Today we are going to do a science experiment regarding soluble and insoluble substances. What is soluble and insoluble? Good question, Shoria. Soluble substances are where the materials that you stir into your water dissolve. And insoluble substances are where the materials that you stir into your water do not dissolve. They either make a layer on top of your water or on the bottom of your water. Before we get started, we need to tell our materials. We need 4 cups, or how many ever you need. We need spoons to stir. We need water. And we need the materials that we are going to count as soluble and insoluble substances. Before that, just as you see, I put even water. But even if you put uneven water, the water amount does not matter. The only thing that matters is your substances or your materials. Let's get started. First are the shells. You see, if I stir and stir and stir, the shells do not dissolve. That means it is an insoluble substance. Next is the salt. If I put in the salt and stir for a while, you're going to see that slowly the salt is dissolving into the water. And just like that, it turns just transparent, just like normal water. And that means that it is a soluble substance. Next is the oil. Now in the oil, we're going to do the same thing. But there's something different going on in this. It's just making a layer of oil bubbles on the top of the water, which means that it is a insoluble substance. The last one is food color. Mix this one. As you can see, this is also a soluble substance because it dissolved or mixed into the water when I was stirring. So the conclusion of this experiment was that soluble materials are the ones that dissolve into the water, and insoluble substances are the ones that don't dissolve into the water. Hope you enjoyed learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon on our YouTube channel. Bye! Bye!